Welcome to Pink's Garage. Today we're going to be looking at repairing a windscreen crack. So a crack in the windscreen. Long story short, most insurance companies and the people that they use to repair or replace windscreens will not touch it if it's longer than a credit card, which is not very long. No. If at any time you find this useful or even just mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe down here, and enough of the banter, let's get on with it. So what I've decided to do is order some of that windscreen repair stuff. I looked online, I looked at Amazon and had carried a couple of brands that I recognise, one of course being Rain-X. One would hope that that is a quality product, and it is winging its way to me now. Here it is. And let's go through the instructions, which are very clear and concise. And we're going to be doing cracks as opposed to bullet holes. Yeah. Hot tip number one, open the package and unfold the instructions on a very clean surface. I did it over the floor, and all the curing strips fell out onto the floor, so they're now a little bit dirty. Not a good start. The second fly in the magical ointment is that it's recommended not for cracks more than 12 inches long. So I don't think I'm going to be able to test it on the FJ, because that crack is about 3 foot long, 4 foot long. Yeah, that's not going to work, is it? So we're going to have to go straight to the Stratos. So I have dutifully cleaned the windscreen with none other than another Rain-X product, which I thoroughly recommend too. If you haven't got any of this kind of stuff, then brake cleaner might do the job nicely. Any kind of degreasant, really. It's just supposed to do the actual filling application of the fluid out of direct sunlight, and then put it into direct sunlight for 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to cure. So we're going to have to do it in the garage and then wheel it out into the sunshine. Not quite sure how much of the application I'm going to be able to film, because I don't want any big heavy cameras dangling over the windscreen with the possibility of falling off and creating more damage.
As you can see,
so we'll see how it goes.
Fairly slowly down the screen in order to make sure that the resin's getting all the way into the crack. Don't worry about a little overspill.
Alright, so now we're wheeling it outside to do the rest of it. This is where these come into play. Curing strips. And it's all about the sunlight, not heat. It's actually the, I'm guessing it's ultraviolet light that cures this. I guess we'll just leave it as long as possible, right? Well, it says 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm going to leave it longer. I don't see any harm in doing that. Meanwhile, what does this look like? Still looks wet to me. I would say that's still fairly wet. Well, it's starting to go off. Alright. Give it a few more minutes. Well, that seems to have gone off now. Cured nicely. I wouldn't say it's a 10 out of 10 repair. I'll give it an 8. It's not bad. The interesting thing will be is whether it continues to split or whether that has actually stopped that happening. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's really kind of difficult to spot
it's just here. Down here. Yeah. Not bad at all. And finally, once it's fully cured, you can scrape off any residue with a razor blade. You get the idea. Actually, they recommend at 90 degrees, which seems to work better. Yeah. So there you go. That's all that clean. Okay, we're going to do the second application, and this time round I'm going to do something that they recommend, which I didn't do first time round, and that's get inside the car and just give it a gentle push from inside to get rid of any air bubbles, apparently. We'll try that. Curing strips again. One, two, I'll probably do. So we're just going to leave that to cure for 5 to 10 minutes. Or longer, honestly. So reality is I've probably left it out for about 20 minutes or more. Let's see what it looks like. Nice and sunny anyway. Alrighty. Pretty damn good. And it's still visible, but hardly. And from the other side, kind of see it a little bit better there still. Although I just threw them away, I think you can potentially use those again, but I've got plenty, so. Well, although that's cured pretty well, I'm going to leave it a while before I actually start scraping anything off. Well, I hope you found that useful. It's relatively simple procedure. Do give it a go yourself. Don't be afraid. What's the worst that's going to happen? Anyway, if you did think it was any good, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. There's more of this and more of the Stratos, obviously. Cafe races and all sorts. I have episodes and lots of them. What else? Yes. Encourage others to watch my lunacy.